Yo, what's up guys, Rex Gaming here, and today we are doing snack time part 2, Rex, and let's go get my snack. Which one do I want? Delicious. This thing's empty. Already ate too many of these. Look at that, boy. I got my cup. Make sure it says like that or something. Microwave safe. I don't know if it matters, but let's open this up, boy. Let's get it. Let's see, boy. Oh, it comes out. I'm just gonna put in a bag 3 tablespoons of water and milk. I'll just put milk in it. And put tablespoons of crap. I'm shaking. Oh shoot. Man, I can't do this. Oh no! That's bad. I spilled everywhere. Spilled everywhere. Look all the mess I made. So we gotta mix this up real fast, man. Real fast. This one mixes up. So after that, you just put it in the microwave. So mix this up and then put it in the microwave. Oh, baby, that looks good. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks so good. Hey, what the heck? In the microwave with the spoon. I was kidding. Without the spoon, of course. Of course. So I put the spoon in there. Put the whole thing in. And I don't know what time, but they said 1:15. Yeah. Alright. I'll tell you when it's done. Wait, let's clean up this mess before my mom comes here to make my ass. Look at that. Oh, it's so thick, boy. It's so thick, boy. Wait, but why are you recording? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hopefully it's not burnt because on the packet it literally says 1 minute and 10 seconds. So hopefully I don't burn it, but let's go. Ooh wee. Look at that. Oh, it's so burny, bro. Do not touch the cup. It's, ooh, stings. And let's go eat it, boy. Let's go. Let's burn my lip, boys. Bon appetit. Let's get it. Not that hot. Like the cup's more hot right now. When you get to the bar, it's probably really hot. Oh! I feel good, but that's it. And yeah, it's really it. So like, subscribe, everything. If you want to see more snack time, and yeah, bon appetit, motherfucker.